In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Siteground email. This process is simple and quick, and by following my guidance, you'll be navigating through the Siteground platform with ease in no time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the official Siteground webpage. This is where everything starts. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, the next step is to locate the login button. This is usually positioned at the top right corner of the page, easy to spot. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you can access your Siteground account. After you've opened the login page, it's time to enter your account credentials. Once logged in, you will arrive at the My Siteground account dashboard, which is essentially your control panel for all Siteground services. Now on this dashboard, you need to find and click on the Websites tab. This section is crucial as it lists all the websites that you manage under your Siteground account. Once you've accessed the website section, the next step takes you to Site Tools. This is the primary access hub for managing the technical side of your website, including email services. So go ahead, find the site you want to manage and click on Site Tools. Within the Site Tools page, look towards the left sidebar where you'll see different options. Navigate through these and find email. Once you click on this, you'll open up various email related features that Siteground offers. This is where you can create, manage and access your email accounts connected to your domain. Now you are one step away from accessing your email. Under the email section, you'll want to click on Accounts. This will display a list of all active email accounts associated with your domain. If you need to set up a new email, this is also the place to do it. However, if you're just looking to access your existing emails, you'll find what you need right there. In summary, logging into Siteground email involves visiting the home page, signing into your account, navigating through the site's control panel to access the site tools, and from there heading to the email section. Each step is straightforward, and once you've gone through the process a couple of times, it will become second nature. As with any new process, taking it step by step ensures you won't miss anything crucial. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to assist. Happy emailing.